Tonight I'm cooking beef brisket. I've marinated the meat in spices, chilli, ginger, basil, coriander and rum. Now I've put it in a dish with Coca Cola, onions and garlic. I'm going to seal this lid now with silver foil, and I'm going to leave it on about gas whatever, about 150, for 2-3 hours. So it's effectively going to either braise in its own juices. I've never cooked brisket before, so it'll be quite interesting to see how it comes out. It has become quite a fashionable meat again. I think this way I'm cooking it, guaranteed to come out tender. Well, this is Cooking with Mr Al. And so there we have it, the finished brisket, very tender. Hardly need a knife to cut it with. Cooked for 2-3 hours, slowly braised in its own juices. Bit of red wine, bit of Coca Cola, ginger, garlic, chilli, spices, and this is what it comes out with. Like, first time I've cooked it. That gravy is going to be good tomorrow. I'll eat this with fresh vegetables tomorrow. So on the whole, that was quite a successful little cooking experiment. So this is Cooking with Mr Al. Brisket braised in Coca Cola, garlic and spices.